Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Before we get started with this video, I have a quick favor to ask of you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever I upload new videos on how to make money online, how to earn passive income, affiliate marketing, reviews. I do a lot on this channel, so if you want to get updated with all the latest money-making videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you leave a like on the video so the YouTube algorithm knows that you want to get more videos suggested to you in the future. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over how you can make money online up to $100 a day using this one website, okay? But before we get into that, I have to say one more thing. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I have a little quick bonus for you at the end of the video that could get you some free money right away, completely separate from what I'm going to be going over in the video, okay? So make sure you stay tuned until the end because you can actually earn some free money doing this, all right? So now, how does this work? Well, what is this? This is Validly, okay? Now, what this is a website testing program. You test websites, you make money. It's that simple. You can go right here on the website, start making money. Now, this is used by thousands of companies, but just look at a couple of the names here. I'm sure you'll recognize at least 3 of them: Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, and Allstate. I recognize all of these companies. These are all very large companies. How this works, guys, is the reason why companies don't want to test the products themselves is because there's a bias, right? If you work for a company, you're going to automatically try and have like a positive view on testing something, right? Or if your team just built a new feature on a website, you're going to be biased towards it because you built the feature, right? So there's an inherent bias there for, employees at that company. No one wants to be the guy in the office who says the product sucks, right? And so companies will go and they will use Validately, and there's other websites out there also, and I'll do videos on those in the future, but Validately, and they will use that to basically have other people who are not biased test these products or these parts of their websites, essentially. Right now, how does it work? You make money for every test you take. You'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts aloud, and answer questions regarding a website or app, okay? Now, first thing you gotta do is sign up, and we'll go into that in a moment. Sign up, click here to sign up. You'll be asked to provide basic demographic information. Number 2, start taking tests. You'll start receiving emails offering money for feedback on websites and apps. 3, you get paid. This is the part you're probably wondering the most about. You'll be paid for every test you successfully complete. Thanks for the feedback. Now, how much do you get paid? Well, it depends. It depends on how much the company is offering. It also depends on your demographics, where you live. A lot of things would affect how much you get paid, and effectively it also depends on how many things are available for you to review, because there are days that are slower, there are days that are more there's more to review, so it is a little bit inconsistent, but you could easily earn up to $100 a day on some of the faster paced days where you have, you could review 6-7 websites in one day and earn some decent money doing that. And there's slow days as well where you only might get 1 or 2, and that's fine too. But basically the point here is you could easily earn up to $100 a day doing this if you do it right and if you do it as it's intended. Now, I don't think this could be a replacement for a full-time income, but this can be a decent source of side income, all right? So if you're trying to, have some side money, if you're trying to have some extra money to pay off some debt, pay off some extra bills, maybe you're getting ready for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, this can be a good option for you because it's on your own time. You don't have to review anything. It's per diem. You do it when you want it, and when you want to make that money, okay? So very, very on your terms type of a website. Okay, so a few things you need to have that if you don't have, you might have to get. All right, so number 1 is a computer with a microphone to join the panel. Now, some computers and laptops have built-in microphones. You can use that as well, but generally speaking, if you could get a little cheap mic for like $10, really, just something to get the job done. 2, you need to have Google Chrome, which, I use anyways, but if you don't use Google Chrome, it's free to download. Just download Google Chrome if you're really serious about this. 3, a high-speed internet connection. If you live in America, chances are you have a high-speed internet connection, or if you live in most parts of Europe, so you should be good in that regard. Depends where you live, but you have to have a good internet connection. Have to be 18, so you have to be a legal adult. You have to have the ability to communicate in English. You have to have a PayPal account, and that's because you will be paid through PayPal. email, and then you click here to sign up. All right, now how often are new tests available? Tests are available daily, but not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you may be notified about available tests less frequently, okay? So essentially what this means is it depends on you. It depends on what you match, because companies want specific people for specific reviews, and for that reason, it's going to depend on a lot of things. I can't promise you you're going to have a test every single day, but what I can say is there's been a few days where you could get like 4 or 5 tests in one day, and those days you can make a lot of money if you have the time to do those tests on those days. All right, now how much money will you make and how will you be paid? Payments vary based on the test. Many of the studies pay between $10 and $70. Okay, so if you could say between $10 and $70, even if you're making about $50 per test and you do a couple per day, again, you could easily earn $100 a day doing this on those good days. Okay, all payments are processed through PayPal within 7 days of successfully completing your test. Okay, so this is Validity. This is how this works. You have to sign up. We'll go right here. Create an account. I'm not going to actually go through everything just because I already have an account, but you're going to have to put in what mobile device you own. I own an iPhone. What type of computer do you own? I own both a Mac and a PC, like that. Which version of Windows? Windows 10, Mail. Okay, I'm not going to go through everything because I don't want to reveal too much personal information, but basically you get the gist. You go to the sign up, you go through everything, and then within a day or two, once you're approved, you'll start getting some emails. Hey, there's a test available, and again, you can make between $10 and $70 per test. All right, so the point here is that you can't depend on this for a full-time income, but if you want a side income, some side money, maybe you're unemployed right now, this can be a good option for you. It really could be, and I think a lot of people will have some success with this. If you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're going to pass on it, that's fine too. I'll have other videos in the future that will help you make money in other ways. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like. And now for the bonus, if you guys want a free stock between $1 and $200 with Robinhood, click my link in the description. You could get a free stock. Free, completely free. Click the link, sign up with Robinhood. You'll get a free stock, and that stock you could eventually sell, or you could keep it, get some dividends off of it, right? That's a way to start your investing journey. I'm very much, I really push people to start investing. This is not financial advice, not investment advice, but I think it's very important to start investing as early as you can. So if you haven't started investing yet, I would highly recommend it. If you have started investing, but you don't have a Robinhood account, why would you pass up on a free stock that could be up to like over $100? I mean, why would you pass on that? It wouldn't make sense to me. If you could just sign up simply by clicking that link and you get a free stock, I would do it. I've done it. Yeah, definitely check it out. Link in the description and the comment section. That's it for this video, guys. I will catch you next time. And as always, have a great day.